guys, I have just been in a Chanel jewelry, fashion jewelry kick lately. I think it was last week I bought this. And this weekend we went to Chanel again to pick this baby up. So I'm gonna unbox this here and show you what I got. Okay guys, I'm gonna make this one quick. Oh, let's remove this one first. This one here. It's always the best when that feeling when you unbox a Chanel product. So here it is. That's just a care booklet. But I want to show you the packaging, how they always come with. Nice. I don't have anything like this. This is like a half hoop. And it's very edgy, so that's why I picked this one up. How it looks on me. So pretty. So I was debating whether to get this or the other dangly earrings, but I'm glad I picked this one up. So, but I'm definitely going back to get more earrings, the dangly one, and also some necklace. Stay tuned. Not fine jewelry. Like when I sell these, I probably wouldn't get my money's worth. These are just costume jewelry, but it makes me happy. It reminds me of my days in the Philippines where I would go pick some freshwater pearls and the guys or girls from the barter store would have like a CC knockoff, but I treasure them. I still wear them sometimes, but it makes me happy that I can go to the Chanel boutique now and buy one, for myself.